In this video I like to show how I create G-code files for my Comgrow 3018 Robo CNC mill with only open source software. I'm using FreeCad for the CAD design and the FreeCad path-workbench for creating the raw G-code files. As a G-code post-processor, I'm using a little program named gcode-ripper. I'll put the links down in the description of this video. First, I'm creating the part in FreeCad. Second, I'm using the path workbench in FreeCad to create the G-code files. There are some good tutorials for the path workbench. I'll put the ones that I learned a lot from in the description. Third, I saved the G-code files created with FreeCAD. For my CNC mill, I'm using the Comgrow 3018 Robo CNC. The G-code created with FreeCAD needs some post-processing. Therefore, I have to split the arcs in lines, which then works fine on my mill. After some internet research, I found the gcode-ripper post-processing tool on scorchworks.com. I'll put a link down in the description, and this program works great for me. Fourth, I load the G-code file created with FreeCAD into the gcode-ripper tool. Go to Settings and activate the Arcs to Line feature. Recalculate the file and save it. Last, I like to add a homing command at the end of my G-code. I then save the G-code files on a SD card that I can use in my CNC mill.